Amazon stock price has remained highly correlated with the number of breweries in the US for the last 2 decades. Let me tell you another one. Popularity of the first name Aliana correlates with popularity of coalface memes. I know none of this makes sense. Let me break it down. Okay, all of this is real statistically significant data with official sources. A guy called Tyler Wiegand built a website around this. He took about 25,000 datasets, ran over 600 million correlations, and found just the ones that were accidentally highly correlated with each other. His point was simple. Given enough data, something will always match, which is called spurious correlation in statistics. Now, when he built it, it was simply a theoretical joke, but it isn't funny anymore. Let me give you an example. So there was an AI model built to detect wolf in images. It was working brilliantly with nearly perfect accuracy until somebody looked into it closely and realized that the model hadn't learned how a wolf looks like. So every image in the training dataset contained snow along with the wolf. The model had learned snow and not what a wolf looks like. Now, if you deploy this model into a different situation where snow is not visible, the model will fail confidently. This is a trivial example, but just think about models used in healthcare, models used in finance. There are models built using historical price patterns in finance, which works beautifully in stable periods, but collapse as soon as the market conditions shift even slightly because the pattern was never real. There were just two lines moving together for a while. This is exactly what this guy is pointing at, and he gives several reasons why this is a major problem. And by the way, these aren't just problems on a joke website. These are problems associated with real AI systems making real decisions today. Models like these have no idea whether a pattern is real or accidental. It just sees two things moving together and learns that as truth. So overall, correlation is not causation, and a model will never know that. But the real question is, do we?